Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck. Today I've teamed up with Premium Lace Wig and they sent me over a full lace wig. Now I love a full lace wig because this is the one that you can wear. This is like top tier, next level, highest ranking lace in the world. This is the kind of wig that you can put on and you can part and style however you want. Today you'll see me take her straight to the sink, straight out of the box, and do a wash and quick condition on her. We allow her to air dry and then we're gonna do a quick and simple install. For starters, we do a bust down middle part. It's gonna look so good because it's gonna have that nice natural curly cut vibe with the bigness but the little taper angle. And then we're gonna go ahead and show you guys how to part her in different ways as a full lace wig. You can do literally 2 ponytails parted all the way down the middle. Today we chose a half up, half down. And again, you can part wherever you want and you have the ability to show off that lace however you want. So I'm gonna jump into the video. Be sure to check this one out. Of course, I have a direct link and all the details to this beautiful girl down below. And without further ado, let's get right into the video.
Okay, love bugs, let's get right into the video. Let's start off with a quick unboxing. Now this one here is from Premiumlacewigs, and as you can see, they included this beautiful dust bag, perfect storage for your wig. Here they have like a little brochure with all the information on your wig. Next up, they included a pack of HD wig caps, as well as the Premiumlacewig melt belt. Here we have a rat tail comb and then a pair of 3D mink lashes that of course are Premiumlacewig brand. They even included these 2 little clips, super cute and perfect for getting your hair out of your face as well as styling. Now into the main attraction. This is our beautiful wig here. She is a 14-inch Afro curly lace wig, a full lace wig at that. She's 180% density and 100% Brazilian virgin hair. I'm going to go ahead and remove the tag because we're keeping her. She's ours for good. And from here, I wanted to show you guys the inside construction of the cap. Now this one here is a full lace wig. No lace, no case. Like, I mean, literally from ear to ear, from front to back, there is lace all the way around. No hiding anything. So you can literally do anything. The possibilities are endless. Next up, let's go ahead and go to the sink. I'm always a girl who's going to choose the Tresemme line. I usually would get like a moisture rich shampoo and conditioner, or like something like Aussie Moist, just something moisturizing and not too expensive. And I would pretty much just go ahead and do a quick wash to my wig, not causing too much friction and more so like just making sure it's disinfected and of course making those curls pop. And this kind of is the motion I like to do personally. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and use the conditioner. Now that she's clean, we want to make sure those curls are on pop. So here I am just doing the same exact thing, kind of just working with the wig and being as gentle as I can. This is a full lace wig, so there's no cap. So you want to be nice and gentle. Now this is what it looks like after. I usually will put her on like a hanger or something like that and just let her air dry in the shower overnight. And to me, this is how I get the best curls without using any like product once the hair is completely clean. Super gorgeous, 10 out of 10. Okay, so here we are the next day. This is what the hair looks like once you've shampooed and conditioned and let her air dry with no manipulation overnight in the shower. I went ahead and cut off the back of the lace. This part here is what goes from ear to ear at the nape. You pretty much cannot do this by yourself, in my opinion, with the wig on. So I like to do it with the wig off before we put her on. And then I will cut the lace in the front, depending on like the shape of my forehead once I put the wig on. Here you can see what the wig looks like on straight out of the box. Now I can say it definitely looked a little bit more shrunk and up. Maybe just the way I air dried it is kind of like all over the place and wonky. But you'll see it's going to come out super beautiful with that perfect curly cut. Here is a close-up of the hairline. I did go ahead and cut the lace off and do a light little tweeze to the hairline. Not too much. I just wanted to simply open up. Here you guys can listen to some music while we do a quick little install. We kept it glueless with the bed head, and then I also did tweeze the hairline and add a little bit of baby hair. Everything that we use in this video will be listed and linked in the description box. Also stay tuned. After we do the install, you most certainly will see all of the dimensions or how to style the hair once you have it installed as a full lace wig.
Diamonds running around while I'm laying his hair. Edges on point with a little mama flair. Life's a whole movie, every scene on deck. Beauty and motherhood with Ashley Bedeck. We glow through the highs, laugh through the mess. Only be his family, a little finesse. Living every moment, come vibe, no stress. Hit subscribe and ride with the best. It's Broadmass time, and the kids won't sit still. Somebody lost a sock, someone spilled the milk for real. Wilbury, rolling with the chaos, making memories on the way. Welcome to the Lion's House, flower starts today. Yeah. Dominic, let's hit it. That big bright smile, dancing through the house in the uncle style. Slime in her hand, stretch it wide, stretch it quick. Laughing at the mess, classic Dominic. Slide left, slide right. She's got fun, be jumping all around on a happy little feet. Yeah, she lights up the day. Everywhere she goes, she's leading the play. Dancing like a star with a heart so bold. Little spark of sunshine with a smile. Last all day long. Yeah, she's sweet, fun and free. A little burst of joy for the whole family. Every moment with her is a memory to keep. Dominic, she's the beat you feel deep.
The Lions crew in the house.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Diamonds on the game with the head set tight. Dropping buckets on the court, yeah, shots too nice. Dakota towards the living room, dancing on beat. Dominic jumps in with a happy little feet. Three cool kids with their own big vibe. Laughing all day when they're side by side. The Lions kids, yeah, they shine so bright. Playing, dancing, laughing from morning to night. Diamond, Bedeck, and Dakota on the run. Three best friends just having some fun. Love so strong, you can feel it in the air. The Lions crew, nothing compares. Give me dancing sunshine every day. They lift each other, they lift each other up in the sweetest way. The Lions kids, yeah, they're wild, sweet and true. A family full of love and everything they do. Dominic, Dakota, can't you see? The Lions crew's the place to be.
Boot it up. Yeah, we back online. Kid Diamond in the lobby and he's ready to shine. If you came for the gay house, you right on time. Yeah, he's a Lions kid, so the grind's built in by design. Drop in, watch how the whole squad roll. He misses one shot and still somehow stole the whole squad wipe with a half broke scroll. Kid Diamond different, he built like a cheat code. Running through maps like he owns the land. You think he's serious?
Okay, little bugs, this one here is that girl. I went ahead and did a quick and easy install on her, and you see she is pure perfection. Now we went through all the steps, and this was for me the final result. So let me show you guys what this one looks like when it's like completely dry. Okay, love bugs, and we are back. It's actually been a few days since I've been rocking this wig, and I've been kind of testing it out, and she has been my fave. Now, I've also been getting lots of compliments on her. I think the curly short switch up is definitely my look. This one here is definitely very easy to maintain, and I highly recommend going in and pre-washing your wig all the time, but especially with your curlier extensions, because you'll get a nice, more natural, soft curl that just gives like natural hair vibes, if you will. I love the fullness and I love the texture on this one, and then of course the cut is the one to set it off, and I used Dimming Brush and it poofed up in the most beautiful way with the most perfect definition in it. I cannot complain at all. No stiffness, even though we continue to add product in it, and again, just soft. To me, the bigger, the poofier, the better she looks. But also, this is a full lace wig, so we most certainly wanted to go ahead and show that off. I'm a bust down middle part girl, but this one here can be set as a side part like so, and of course you just stamp it out really nicely. Even with it being in the middle, you most certainly can go in and do like 2 ponytails, 2 braids like this. And I did finger part this one, so of course it just doesn't look perfect, but you get the point. You can build the confidence, and of course you'll have to tint the lace in the middle, just like we did up top. But again, you kind of get the picture of what I'm saying. Literally, you can part it anywhere. So for today's styling, I've been loving wearing this one down, so I'm kind of sad to style it. But again, I want to show you guys the potential of a full lace wig. Even when you go sideways, you can do cornrows, you can do anything with this one. But today, I'm going to keep it cute and do a half up, half down. And you see, even if you don't want a parting look, you can literally just pull it up like this, pin it, or use your scrunchie and you're good to go. If you want to add a little bit of parting in there, find where you want it to be part. And I'm finding lately that I prefer when it's not too defined. And you go up. And you see that beautiful parting space? Add some water all the way around, and you can be generous with the water.
Beauty and motherhood with Ashley Bedeck. We glow through the highs.
You can pull it halfway through and make a cute bun, or you can wear it down. The only thing is, of course, when you manipulate curls like I just did, you're gonna always find that you're gonna have to like touch the curls up. Not too much, but just refresh them, because moving it around can cause frizz. And I want to show you how simple it is to comb through this hair, even days later after the hair has been worn, slept on, put in a bonnet, and all of the things. Minimal tangling or shedding with this one. And as it dries, of course, it'll, you know, get big again. And just like that, you have a beautiful look. And then like that was me pulling it through and making it a bun. And then you can continue to pull it all the way through. And now you have a full pony. And of course, just like you refreshed the ends, refresh this hair, because of course you manipulated it. There's product in there, so we want to make sure we don't over saturate it with product, because it's just, you look how pretty that hair is. It doesn't need it. And just like that, we have a whole new hairdo. This one's absolutely gorgeous. Now let's get back to the rest of the video. Okay, so now that you guys have seen this one when it looks dry and when it looks styled, I gotta head to the dance studio. My girls are performing in a city-wide parade tomorrow evening, and we have to go and do like their final rehearsal as well as pick up their costumes. So this is the look. I'm gonna go ahead in real time and let it air dry. Of course, you guys have already seen it dry, but I'm gonna let it air dry on the way to the studio. Maybe put the milk belt back on so that we can go ahead and have it super snatched for tomorrow. But yeah, this is the look. I'll have the details and all of the things down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.